Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem VBucks on your Epic Games account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in epicgames.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Epic Games website. From the homepage, click on the account icon at the top right corner, and if you haven't logged in already, you will be asked to enter your credentials. Proceed forward with your email address and your password, or by using your social accounts, and you will then end up within the main menu. Now, if you wish to redeem your VBucks, just click on the account icon at the top right corner and click on account. You will now be taken into your account settings page, from which you can click on the redeem code option at the left side at the very bottom. When you do this, you will see the various different redeem code options. In order to redeem your VBucks card, click on the redeem your VBucks card here link at the bottom. You will then be taken into the VBucks external link. Click on the get started button and you will be asked to enter your code PIN right away. Just check at the back of your card and scratch off the security covering and enter your code that you see within this section. After entering this code, click on the next button and you will be asked to choose your device. After choosing your device, your redemption will be successful and your code will be applied right away. And there you have it. That is how you can redeem your VBucks card on Epic Games. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.